Exploring the phrase, direct bus. Hello language explorers. Today, we're diving deep into a commonly used phrase in English, especially when we talk about transportation, direct bus. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations. Direct. This word often means straight or without any interruptions. When something is direct, it usually means there is no stop or change in between the start and the end. Bus. This is a common mode of transportation. A vehicle designed to carry multiple passengers at once, often on a set route and schedule. So, when we combine these words together, what do you think direct bus means? Let's find out. A direct bus refers to a bus service that goes from one place to another without any significant stops or detours in between. It means that the bus doesn't stop at all the regular stops or doesn't require passengers to change buses to reach their final destination. It offers a more straightforward and quicker journey for passengers. For example, if there's a direct bus from City A to City B, it means you can board the bus in City A and it will take you to City B without requiring you to change buses or without making many stops in between. 1. Time saving. With fewer stops, you reach your destination faster. 2. Convenience. You don't need to worry about changing buses or missing a connection. 3. Comfort. With fewer stops, there's less getting on and off, allowing for a more relaxed journey. To help you understand better, let's look at a few example sentences. 1. I always take the direct bus to work because it's faster. 2. Is there a direct bus from the airport to downtown? 3. They introduced a new direct bus service between the two towns. So, the next time you're traveling or discussing travel plans, you'll know exactly what a direct bus means and how to use the term confidently. We hope this video sheds light on this transportation phrase. Keep exploring and enriching your English vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!